Hello everyone, welcome back to another The Algo Trader video.
Today we will do text-to-speech conversion using Python script. Let's start. First, you have to select some folder, create a Python script. Here I am giving name text-to-speech.py. Give a .py extension, then only it will be treated as a Python script. First you have to import few things. If it is not there, you have to install it using pip command. JSON time globe. Okay, then we need Google's Google text-to-speech library. Import that. If it is not installed already, then make sure use pip command to install this one. This play sound is for playing the created mp3 file. Create a narration source one JSON file. Actually we will be creating multiple mp3 file. I mean from text to speech we will convert. That created mp3 file will be saved into the system. We can create any number of text to speech mp3 file using this script. Okay, we have to just for configuration like setting. Now I am creating a file to read the content of narration source. In this particular method, we will open the narration source file, which is a JSON file, and read all the things we have mentioned there. So based on that only, we will convert that text to speech and give the file name whatever we are giving in that JSON file. I will show you. I am putting it in a try catch, so if any issue comes, error comes, it will be handled. So the data to send back variable contain the complete JSON, so we have to use JSON.load. We handle the exception also. Now return the data to send back. This is the final JSON. Reader from narration source.json. Okay, we have created the read narration source file. So we will call that method and assign the returned JSON into a variable named narration source. Now we have to add few data into narration source file. It is an array of JSON. It should have a file name. So the generated mp3 file will have this particular file name. The narration, this is the text to be converted into speech. We can have any number of objects and make sure the file name is different. Okay, at line number 17, the narration source variable contain that full array of JSON that taken from narration source. Now we have to call Google TTS. Narration source is an array of object, so we can enter it inside for loop. Okay, before that we have to do some optimization, like whether the file is there or not. If file is there already in the system, means it's already converted to MP3, then no need to again call TTF. So that part we will do. In case there are too many test to file conversion, then this will be useful. This is the flag this particular method returns. If it is true, means it can continue to TTF, means that file not already exists. If it is false, means no need to call TTF because that particular MP3 file already there. You have to use glob to check whether a file is there or not. Okay, I will create one folder named sound. So all the generated MP3 file will be saved into this particular folder. So I'm creating a sound folder named sound. So all the MP3 file generated will be saved into this folder. Here we are checking. First we load all the files using glob from sound folder named sound. Then we will check whether the current file name already exists in this particular folder. If it is there, means no need to do TTS because already it's there. This find will return -1 if it is not there. If not -1 means it's there, so false. So return can continue. Okay, now we can use this method inside this iteration. Actually, this slide of file name, that file name is that key in the narration source JSON. So spelling should be correct. Actually, here we are checking in JSON every object it will iterate and whether that file name already exists in the folder. Inside if it is true, can continue. I mean, if it returns true, means it can continue, means it's already not there, else it is there. So we are just adding a few logs. Here we have to call Google TTS service. We have already imported that, we can directly use. Current narration, slide off. Actually, this key we have to use narration, whatever in JSON. Slide off narration. So file name and narration will be taken from JSON object. Next is file name. Actually, we have to append the extension also, MP3. This is the folder where to save the file. Narrator plus MP3. Yeah. Okay, this is the file name. Now we can call TTS. Pass the narration. Actually, this is the text. We have to convert into speech. So once the TTS response will be the voice, the converted voice. So we will be saving that into this file name, and we can have a playback also. Just to give some time to save the file. Sometimes it will take few extra seconds. Otherwise, it will throw some error. Okay, we have done created the narration source and the script also. Inside sound folder there is nothing now. After running the script, two files will appear. Okay, we can run this one. Python space text-to-speech.py. In the left we can see here inside sound folder that intro came. Yeah, sometimes this kind of error will come. That sleep time you can change. Anyway, the MP3 will be generated. Just to comment that play sound. Anyway, we can directly play from folder. See, inside sound folder, two MP3 files are there. Let me increase the volume.
Hello everyone. Hey there.
Okay, both text-to-speech conversion are done. If you want, you can play on this narration source.json. See, if we again run the command, it will not do TTS. So it will tell already there. So we have to change the file name if you have to create a new one. See, the test3 TTS is going on. Yeah, that file is created. creating one more MP3 file. Just add one more object into this array. That's enough. The already existing file will not be done. So only the new file will be created. Yeah, test4 came. Intro and test3 was already there, so TT is not done. If you want to change a particular file, like the narration, if you want to change, see here test3, I'm updating narration. But test3.mp3 is already there. If I run the command again, test3, okay. Okay, this is it. So we have created the text-to-speech script and the narration source file. Using the source file itself, we can create any number of MP3 file, and that file can be used for anywhere, for presentation or anywhere.
I hope it was a useful video for you. See you in next video. Bye.